Hey, what's good, YouTube? It's Stock Boy Ken, and we back again with another banger. All right, in this video, we're gonna be doing a quick tutorial on how to use a stop order, also known as a stop loss. We're gonna make this video real short and sweet, so we're gonna set that timer at 3 minutes. All right, let's get it. All right, so a stop order. A stop order is used to minimize your losses, basically set a number, set a price that you want the stock to be sold at. That way you don't have to sit there and watch the stock all the time. So first things first, what you wanna do, you want to go to your Robinhood. You want to go to the main screen, right? Where you see your portfolio. I have $2,040. I lost 10 cents. I lost 20 cents on the day. That's fine, right? You have to do this with the stock that you own. So I'm going to go to Tops. I own 10 shares of Tops. So first, you want to hit the trade button. Boom. It's going to say buy or sell. Again, this is a sell option, right? This is like a selling tutorial. So we're going to press sell. And you're going to see this OG screen right here. It says sell Tops. I'm using an iPhone, so this is what my screen look like. It might look a little different if you're using an Android, a Nokia, or whatever you're using. So I'm gonna press that button at the top that says shares with the down arrow. And it's gonna give me 6 options: selling dollars, selling shares, limit order, trailing stop order, and stop limit order. We're gonna pick that second to last button that says stop order again, or stop order again, also known as a stop loss, right? So boom, it says it right here. Trigger a market sell order if top falls to blank, right? And that's going to be whatever price. Tops is going to be whatever stock you're doing this with. So it tells you the market price for the stock, and mine is $2.36. That's what it's at right now. I know I don't want to lose no more than 10 cents a share on this, so I'm going to set my stop price to $2.26. That way, once the stock goes down and hits $2.26, my stock will sell automatically. Boom, we're gonna hit continue. It's gonna ask me, hey, what's the time frame on this? You want it to be good for the market, or you want it to be good for the next 90 days? This is just saying if it doesn't happen at the end of the market, this order will cancel and I will have to reset it the next day. And if I set good till cancel up to 90 days, it's gonna be open for 90 days until it happens. Once 90 days passes, boom, this is done. All right. Now it's asking me how many shares do I want. Again, I own 10, but maybe I would just want to sell 3. So if the stock price goes down to 226, so I said 3, I mean 6. So if the stock price goes down to 226, then 6 of my stocks will sell automatically at the price of 226, and I will keep anything below that. All right, meaning if this stock drops down all the way to $1.50, all my stocks would have sold at, or 6 of my stocks would have sold at $2.26. Boom, we're gonna hit review. It's gonna say, you sure you wanna do this? Yes, yes, yes. Swipe up, boom, pending order, order received, and boom, that's how you use a stop loss. Easy money. So we can stop the timer. I already got this to y'all. The importance of this though, it does save you a lot of time, a lot of stress. It saves you a headache, all right? This is good because, again, if you know a stock is real volatile, is real jumpy, it's real going up and going down a lot during the day, and you bought it and you really don't want to lose your money, you could either, one, set your stop loss at where you bought it at, and that way when it touches that price again, when it goes down to the price you bought it at, it sells automatically, and you know you just made no money, but you lost no money. Wait 1 second. I'm gonna show you one last thing in this video that I forgot to show you in the 3 minutes. I got one illustration to show y'all on how a stop order works. If you look at this illustration, you see the stock price and the stop price, the stop loss, right? So the dotted line represents the stop loss and the green line represents the stock price. Now, in the beginning of the day, you can see the stock was flat, it was flat, it was flat, and then it went up a little bit, and then it shot down some. And then it went up again, right? Some good sign, boom, then it shot down, or intersected with the dotted stop loss line. Now, once the green line and the dotted line intersect, at that point, that's when your share would have sold and you would have saved your money. If that green line went any lower than that dotted line and it went all the way down to 0, whatever the case was, you would have sold at the dotted line. They would have sold for you automatically without any worry, without any stress. All right. So again, take a screenshot of this picture if you have to. And yeah, this is a good illustration of a stop order. And that's that. I mean, I don't really have anything else for that. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. I appreciate you watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and again, share this video for me. Until next time, stay blessed. And that's it. All right.